Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Harmony One daily update. We are going to see some important stuff right there. Where are we going? The next price prediction, the next price target, and of course, what are the major support levels? Before we begin, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Helps so much with the daily updates, and for those who already done it, thank you so much for the support. Thank you for being part of this community, and of course guys, you can join the Telegram group chat. Alright, so we are going to see some important things: non-biased information and honest reviews, realistic price prediction and technical analysis. Let's go right now to the charts, and you can see that I've drawn my fib from the bottom to the top. We found some important support levels, 10.3. We found some huge buying pressure right here, but anyway, we haven't closed the 4-hour frame yet, and the 9.7. We want of course to maintain above the 0.618 Fibonacci golden ratio right here. The volume is a little bit the same, okay, as the previous days on the 4-hour frame, that is. And right now we do have red volume. That means we have some sellers going into the market and selling the one. So you can see that the MACD had a bearish cross around here. We are going down. Eventually the price has corrected for around 17%. Let's see a little bit about here. Here we go guys, 17.3% right there, and we have corrected so much. But do not forget that here back on 16th August we corrected like 24% till we go upwards again. So yes, corrections like these are very healthy and you should not panic at all for now. Let's go to the one USDT chart. You can see the RSI. This is the RSI indicator that tells us when we have an oversold, when we have an overbought situation. The RSI is very stable. It is not sensitive to the price action and it stays high. Okay, it can stay above the 70 if it is in an overbought, or if it is in an oversold, it will go below the 30. All right, so right now we can correct a little more, but if you check other indicators, the two other indicators, we have the commodity channel index below -100 and the stochastic RSI below 20. They are below this gray zone right here. When they are below this gray zone, we have an oversold situation. That means that sellers have stepped in too much, that we cannot afford them anymore, and buyers have to step in. Okay, so we wait for the buyers right now. If the RSI goes below 30, that will be a very nice bullish flag for the Harmony One. However, right now we are waiting. You can see the 20-day EMA is approaching the 50-day exponential moving average. It's closed below, the price closed below, had some huge selling pressure, and we have seen that again. Okay, so do not worry about that. We have gone again under the 50-day EMA and then we climbed back up. So do not worry about this price action right here. Let's go to the daily frame a little bit. We are about to see a bearish cross between the MACD, the blue line, and our signal line, our orange line. When this happens, it is bearish, but we have to see also the movement afterwards, because we might have a bearish action right here. But anyway, we have a bullish recross and then we go up. So we do not worry yet about that. Let's see a little bit the commodity channel index. We want this pattern right here to confirm, and we do not want to go all the way down. This will mean that we will lose some important support levels and therefore we will just correct a little bit. If I open the SSL HYBRID, you will see a mistake that it did as an indicator. We had a buying opportunity here and a selling opportunity there. So we could be totally in a loss. Okay, so you have to combine all the indicators. Do not check only the SSL HYBRID. We had a red arrow here. We have now a doji candlestick right there that looks like an evening star. You can see that between a green and a red, and the doji star in an uptrend looks like an evening star, and we should be a little bit careful for now. As for the candlesticks patterns, the volume is increasing, the moving average on the daily frame is increasing, and of course if I open the Bollinger bands, we are in the top line of the Bollinger bands. We correct a little bit, nothing to worry for now. One Bitcoin chart right here, in case you missed it right there guys, one Bitcoin chart has the Fibonacci channel right there. Okay, and you can see that the Fibonacci channel, we need 2 points. And what I did is that I will draw it from the start, from the scratch. And you can see that the Fibonacci channel right there, we need 2 points. One bottom and of course, 2 bottoms actually and 1 top. So we find 2 bottoms and the top right here. Okay, and the top actually right here, sorry, right there. Okay, on 16th August. You can see that the one line was the resistance level for the next top as well. The Fibonacci channel contains the time. That's why you see resistance and support levels with angles. The next time that the one line will just touch the minus 0.236 will be around 13 to 14 September. Maybe around there we achieve the next price target. This is an assumption and you should not take this as a financial advice. I'm just telling you that maybe around this area we will have the next price target if we are about to go upwards. If we are about to go downwards, guys, then this Fibonacci channel doesn't have any usage. All right. So one Bitcoin chart right now on the daily frame, and you can see that the stochastic RSI is going into an oversold situation. Right here I will remove the drawings, and we do want to see a pattern going on like this for the commodity channel index and not like this. This is an X. Okay, we do not want to see the line going down. We want to see a pattern forming on like this, and the impulsive wave will keep going. This is especially for the RSI, but anyway, one Bitcoin chart isn't performing so well right now. That's why we depend a lot on Bitcoin. Let's go for Bitcoin, for Harmony One, sorry, in the USDT, and you can see some important things right here. You can see that we have the one as a resistance level 2, and we have the 0.236 as a support level. 10.3 cents, you can see we touch around here. We do not want to close below the 10.3. I will remove the SSL the Fibonacci channel, sorry. I am always getting confused with the SSL channel, but it is the Fibonacci channel, and 10.3, 9.7 as a support level in case we close below. This looks like a healthy correction, do not worry. Next price target, as we talked about, guys, 13.2. And we have the Bitcoin that now managed to actually have some huge buying pressure right here at the 47,250. We might be going a little bit further down. Looks like a very, very nice and healthy correction for the time being. Do not worry, we have seen this going on before again. Okay, so do not worry about that. Right now we saw the double bottom, then a confirmation that we are going upwards. Okay, so we want to see, and we want to see whether we can go to the 46,421 or the 45,300. For the time being, we have some correction going on right there. I believe if you are a new trader, not a financial advice, but you should not trade one right now, especially now that we are correcting a little bit. Let the price calm down. Let's find the bottom, which might be around 9.7 or even 10.3. We found some huge buying pressure right here. And of course, better days will come and you can trade the Harmony One. In case we just find, guys, let's say that we have this as a bottom. Okay, let's say that we have this as a bottom, or even better, the 9.7. Let's say that we have the 9.7. Then the next resistance levels will be around the 10.3, as you can see, will be also around the 10.7, will be at the 11. We have one more at the 0.618, the 11.4. So eventually we might be going to 9.7, 9.8 before we have a reversal to the pattern. We go upwards again. Okay, so we will analyze every detail. Do not worry about that. Right now, I do not want you to trade. Be patient. For those who bought at the top, be patient and better days are about to come. This doesn't look like it will end now, but you should be careful. We depend a lot on Bitcoin because one isn't performing so good against Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Hit the like button, subscribe, and also join our Telegram group chat. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.